Imagine this. The world has been plunged into an economic collapse or global war. What would life look like? More importantly, how would you survive? To stay alive, you'll need to be prepared with the right resources. Here are 50 essential items to stockpile for long-term survival. 1. Water. It's a basic necessity for life. Store it in food-grade plastic containers and consider a purification system to ensure its drinkability. 2. Canned food. It has a long shelf life and can provide vital nutrients. 3. Dried beans and rice. They're high in protein and carbohydrates and can be stored for years. 4. Salt. It's an excellent preservative and can also enhance the taste of food. 5. Honey. This natural sweetener doesn't spoil and can also be used for wound healing. 6. Powdered milk. It provides essential calcium and vitamin D. 7. Multivitamins. They can help fill nutritional gaps when diet variety is limited. 8. Cooking oil. It's a necessity for preparing many foods. 9. Seeds. They can be used to grow your own food when the initial supplies run out. 10. Fishing gear. With this, you can catch your own food, providing a sustainable source of protein. 11. A first aid kit. It's invaluable in treating injuries and preventing infections. 12. Prescription medications. If you rely on these, make sure to have an ample stockpile. 13. Soap. Hygiene is crucial to prevent diseases. 14. Toilet paper. It's a basic comfort that can also be used for fire starting. 15. Bleach. It can be used for water purification and as a disinfectant. 16. A manual can opener. It's essential for accessing your canned food. 17. A multi-tool. It's invaluable for a variety of tasks, from opening cans to repairing equipment. 18. A hand-cranked radio. It can provide vital information and updates. 19. Batteries. They're needed for flashlights, radios, and other electronic devices. 20. Flashlights. They're essential for navigation and tasks in the dark. The list goes on with items like binoculars, duct tape, a compass, a map, a sturdy backpack, a tent, a sleeping bag, a waterproof tarp, a fire starter, matches, a sturdy knife, a hatchet, a whistle, a sewing kit, a gas mask, a Geiger counter, a solar charger, a space blanket, a wire saw, a flint and steel, a paracord, a water filter, a portable stove, fuel tablets, a mess kit, a signal mirror, a poncho, a crowbar, a shovel, a water container, a wire snare, a fishing net, a slingshot, and a pepper spray. The importance of being prepared for such scenarios cannot be overstressed. These 50 items are not exhaustive, but they provide a solid foundation for survival during an economic collapse or global war. It's not about living in fear, but about having the peace of mind that comes with knowing you're prepared for any eventuality. Remember, survival isn't just about staying alive, but maintaining a certain quality of life. With these items, you can do more than just survive, you can thrive.